Take a ride in the 2017 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, autonomous braking, stability control, traction control, XM satellite radio, cruise control, premium sound system, fog lights, audio, internet radio, Pandora, trip computer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.